In this post, I want to show how to plot multiple line charts in one graph. Sometimes one may want to represent multiple data in one graph. The sense of this is we want to be able to compare and contrast, as in to make comparison between different data. And so to represent that sometimes presents some challenges. But by the time we are through with this video, one can be able to do that confidently. On my screen is a set of data labeled table B. This comprises of compaction test results. As you can see here, these are the moisture contents. These are the dry unit weights for different set of tests. 7 samples, sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, sample 4, sample 5, sample 6, sample 7. Now to plot this in one Excel sheet, first of all, we are going to start with sample 1. First you select the sample, you now go to Insert, go to Insert Scatter, then select this chart option. As you can see now, we have selected the chart option. The next we do is we have to, there are so many design options we have here. We can see on the screen different design options. Normally, let me choose this second option, because this one will give us different shape for the plot points. We also go to the quick layout, then we select this first option that can also give us the axis titles and the legend. The next thing we are going to do now is we place our cursor anywhere within the chart area, then we right click and we click on move chart. Then this table will come out. Now we want this chart to be on a new Excel sheet, so we click on new sheet. You can label it compaction test results. Now we click OK. Sorry for the break. Now we click OK. The thing will now take us to a new compaction sheet called compaction test results, as you can see here. So next we go back to where we have our result. Next we select the second table. We now right click and click copy. We click on copy. We now go to this, go back to the sheet that contains compaction test results. Coming here, we go to under paste, this icon paste, click on under it, click on paste special. Now we have a dialog box that comes out. You can see here, this one is new series, columns, series name, and make sure that all these icons are ticked. Then we click OK. As you can see now, the second series has come out and is also on the legend. Next we go back to compaction Excel sheet. We select the third table, we click copy, we go back to the compaction test results, click on paste special, click OK. The third one will come out. We go back to the table, to the sheet, select the fourth table, click copy, go back to compaction test results, paste special, OK. Next we go back to our compaction curve again, select the fifth table, click copy, go back to compaction test results, paste special, OK. We go back to this chart again, select the sixth table, copy compaction test results, paste special. Okay. Finally, we copy the 7th table. Right click, copy, go back to comparison test results, go to paste special, click OK. As you can see now, we have now brought all our samples on this chart well represented. So as this chart is now, we can copy it to our wall. If you wish to print it, you can print it directly from here by going to File, Print. If you want to print it like this, or if you want to put it in Word document, you can place anywhere on the chart area. Right click, copy, and then take it to a Word document. You can also you can change the font of the chart here. You click anywhere within the chart area, we go to the word type, change it to maybe the Times New Roman, if that's what we want, or any font that appeals to us. Times New Roman. Then the font size, let's use font 12. Yes, font 12. Font 12 looks big, maybe I can change it to font 11. Then we can also edit the title, the chart title. For compaction curves, the dry unit weight or dry density usually comes on the vertical axis. So you can now type dry density in kilonewton per cubic meter. Then on the horizontal axis, we have the moisture content. You can now change it to moisture content in percentage. So this is our chart. So you can see, looking closely to the chart, you can see that it's difficult to see the points. So you can also adjust the scale here. You can adjust the scale. You click on this vertical axis, right click and select, click and select format axis. Then we can make the minimum value and bring it up to 1000. So we leave the maximum value as it is. Yes, minimum value 1000. Then we click anywhere within the chart area and it will change. Okay, we can also reduce the, can bring it down to 1400 so that the chart, or rather 1200, so that the chart will be bigger. Then change it to 1200. 1200. Click anywhere within the chart area to see it. You can now see that our chart is ready. We can copy it to our Word document and do any further editing we may wish to do there. I hope we are helped by this post. Thank you.